In this video, we're going to be showing you how to generate images on Canva. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Once we're on Canva, we need to select Canva AI on the left sidebar. From here, on the prompt box, we need to select create an image. Now, if we click style, we can choose a specific style for the image that we want to generate. I'm going to leave this blank. Then next to that, we need to choose the aspect ratio. So I'm going to go for 1:1. We can now enter our prompt. We should try to be as specific as possible to get the best possible result. For example, I'm going to type a massive dragon perched on a rocky cliff, its scales shimmering in shades of emerald and gold, its wings stretched wide against a stormy sky, lightning illuminating its fierce eyes and sharp horns. The scene is highly detailed, epic and cinematic, with fire glowing faintly in the dragon's mouth as if it's about to breathe flames. Then press enter. In the matter of seconds, Canva has come back with 4 different images for the prompt that we entered. If we hover over the image, we have the option to download it. Then if we click edit, it will bring the image into Canva's editor where we can make any necessary changes to the image. If we click into it, we can view the prompt that Canva used to create this specific image. If I click boost resolution, Canva will start to reprocess the image, and it has now brought it back in a higher resolution. Finally, if we click open in editor, just like before, it will bring the image in Canva's editor. That's all we have for this video on generating images with Canva. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.